How to switch between demo and real accounts in XM application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are practicing on demo and now you want to switch to a real account or back again, then it is very easy to do so. First of all, launch open your XM application on your device and log into your account. Go to the top left corner of the screen once you're logged in from the Markets tab and tap on the drop-down. Right now it says Real in my case. If you are using a demo account, it will say Demo and it will look like this. Click on the switch whichever account is shown, and then from the menu you will be able to see two different tabs at the bottom that says Real and Demo. To switch to your real account, click on Real and click on the Standard button. Now you have switched your account to a real account. If you ever want to move to demo again, you can toggle on the same button at the top left and select demo and choose standard. And there you have it. You've successfully switched between real and demo account in XM application. Switching between demo and real on XM is basically just switching logins, nothing complicated. Start with demo, build confidence, then move to the real account whenever you are ready. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.